Hi, I thought the easiest way to explain this to you would be to log in as you. So as you can see, I'm logged in your account. So you have to do 5 3-minute timings each week. You did not complete the full amount for each week yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to tests on top. And now I'm going to go to the 3-minute setting. So here is all your 3-minute tests. You have 4. By the end of this week, you should have 15. So what you need to do is click Start Test and take it. And then I will update your grades for all 3 weeks so far. The first 2 weeks you missed, and then we have this week. So you need 15 in total by Sunday under the 3-minute test to be caught up with the rest of the class. So again, it would, if we're at the very beginning, you could see where your work is. On top, you go to tests, you click 3 minutes, and you need 15 listed in here by Sunday. I hope this helps.